Good afternoon, Ice Cream Ninja Nation, and welcome to another episode of How Can Fat Boy Jim and Ninja Nick Pull Off the Impossible. That's right, usually we fail, but today we got this, okay? And what we're going to do is turbo spray. We've been talking about it for a long time, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. For $100 and 1 day at a time and 2 dummies working in a driveway, we're going to completely change the look of blue. Now this is the plan. We're going to do all this in 1 day. Me, Nick, and my sister. Okay? And stay tuned for the whole video. Will we make it? Won't we make it? I don't know. We've never did this. This is a lot of truck to get repaired, prepped, and painted all within 6 hours, I think. So stay tuned for that. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get it done. Okay, so first part of the process, we're going to go ahead and cover these vent holes because it keeps causing a problem for the freezer inside. Plus it kind of seals up the truck, keep critters out, stuff like that. But instead of removing the panel, we're going to do it the right way and just leave it where it's at and just cover it up. Out of sight, out of mind. And that's what we like. Now, you think that tube would do both panels?
Should.
Okay.
I don't know about the window too, but...
And then we're going to use a couple self-tappers like I do with panels to kind of just pull it into place, you know. And we'll see what happens. What do you want me to do? You want me to bring the tappers?
Bring the tapper.
Okay. I set those right there. All right. That's a little crooked. Okay, I'll grab the gun. Here's the gun. That's okay. We'll put a couple self-tappers in it. Let me get on the other side of you. Hit the corners first, and then we'll draw it in a little bit. Yeah, this is just more of a sealer than anything. This is definitely the right way to do it. Nice. Okay, hit this upper corner where I'm at. I'll switch you sides. Yeah. Okay, now hit this top corner here, and then we'll bring this corner down and we'll put a couple down through the rows. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, so what do we got here, bro? What are we using?
So this is a scuff pad, I believe that's what it's called. I call them scratch pad, but it's a green scuff pad. It's just a coarse one.
Same thing we use in our kitchens for our pots, pans, whatever.
Similar, but not exactly, but yes. And what we're doing is we're pretty much just taking the clear coat off, or what's left of the clear coat.
And this is what we call a scratch and shoot.
Yes. If you don't take this clear coat off, it literally will not stick to the paint. You'll have peeling paint within a week.
Which it is a work truck, so I mean, and I just want to throw it out there real quick. I've got a lot of bad publicity from different business owners because I would paintbrush and roll my trucks like you would a house. So I'm going to the extreme this time, and I'm shooting it. And this is a professional job, right? Wouldn't we consider this a professional job? We got professional turbo spray.
I was as professional as you want to consider, sure.
Well, it's not roll-on in a brush.
That is true. It's not.
Tanya, do you feel that Nick is working harder than you, or you are working harder than him?
Well, Nick's working harder than me.
I think that's a cop out. So we got the drip edge pinned up. Don't know if I showed that to you before.
Don't worry about it.
It's pinned.
I'm doing this. Like this.
One of my concerns right now is how dry is this going to be so that we can get it taped off. Don't even have to be perfect. I don't know. We're going to deal with that as we go here. But we wanted to bring you back in, show you the progress. We do got the repairs made. I'll show you that real quick. And this was definitely professionally done in the color white, so it matches the turbo spray that comes in many colors. I love that stuff for doing projects like this. But yeah, it comes in a variety of black or white. You pick it. With that, stay with us for the rest of the video. We sure appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Boy, oh boy. There's places that you should do that and places you just shouldn't. I hope he blows his motor out. How about that? Anyway, what do you think the best way to paper this off? That's a good question. Okay, let's do this. Let's start at this corner. Here, you hold the roll. Let me get some tape going. I did a whole lot of taping in my day. Yeah, let's get right on that thing.
Hi.
We're down to about 3.5, 4 hours, and we got everybody scrubbing, getting it ready. And me and Nick's going to try to get some of this taping done. And we just want to get you guys in here.
And if you've been here for a long time, here watching our videos, good know. But Mr. Blue is going to be refixed.
Well, yeah, speaking of which, King, I've been waiting for you to get out of school today. Already been up here working. What do you think his new name should be?
I think I know. Original name should stay Bonhop. No, I meant Mr. Blue.
He's not going to be blue no more.
Red? Mr. Red?
No, he's going to be white. He's going to be white.
Mr. Red? White?
Huh?
How about let's call him Mr. White?
Good.
That wasn't perfect.
No, I've had better. That's okay. That's covered.
Which side am I supposed to use?
Let's
The
just
front
keep going now.
or the back?
Either side. We'll keep you right with us while we finish this window, and stay tuned for the finale when I get to shoot this thing and just really mess it all up. Thank you, and stay with us.
Hey, not bad.
Okay, we're looking good. We're looking good. Still got tape that one, but we're waiting until the last minute so that it can cure. We still got the running boards to tape, the chrome handles, the lock. Windows are looking good. The mirror, that door handle. And as we speak, Ninja Nick and my partner Kingston.
I'm just working taping on this because we're going to paint this all white.
What are we going to do after we get it taped off?
We're going to paint it.
That's right.
And we have to remove the wire.
We'll get the top.
Okay. And don't get the wipers.
How you coming on your side?
I'm just going to do it.
Oh my God, did you put that dent in there?
No.
Okay.
I'll take this. He's done.
Okay. Well, we're looking pretty good here, folks. looking pretty darn good. We got the grill out. We still got to do the bumper.
We're just doing around the tape.
Yes, but we at least wanted to bring you an update.
And this might take a few days.
What time is it? Anybody know?
It's probably like 3 o'clock.
After 3, you get a what? About 3.
It's 4 o'clock.
4:15.
4:15. So we got about 2.5 hours
What,
to get this done,
Why?
Because it gets dark early now.
because we're trying to get all this done in one day.
Yep.
One day.
Yep.
Because everybody razzed me about painting my trucks with a paintbrush, rolling brush. So this time we are shooting it. All right, stay tuned, folks. That's your update for now. Thank you. A little bit noisy around these parts. Okay, so the game plan is we're taped up, we're ready, and we're going to shoot this down. I'm going to stick with the low parts, get about halfway down. My brother Nick is going to follow me and catch the high parts. And we're going to see how this goes. Live action, no edits. If it's a failure, it's a failure.
And also,
Let's
we only
go.
have one shot of this. One shot. Oh yeah. Do not try this at home. This is toxic. I'm wearing my shirt as a mask.
You guys are just in my way.
Little bug turds in it. Yeah.
It looks clean. Also, over here, cameraman, over here. Do not try this at home. This is dangerous. It's toxic fumes. It's right. I'm wearing my shirt as a mask.
Folks, we're probably going to need more cans. Okay, slow down. Let me catch up. I have changed cans.
This is why I use my mask, my shirt as mask. Jack. I'll shake it up for you.
Oh, we didn't get very far, did we?
No,
We might need 8
we're
cans.
definitely gonna need more
We
cans.
need 8.
Another 6.
No,
We need 8.
probably another 4.
I'll take it one to the top, one
Well,
to
we're
the
not gonna
side.
do the complete top, just the sides.
Yeah, because we can at least the top part.
Yeah.
Also, we can
What
at
I'm
least.
saying is, this can's probably gonna make it. Well, at least this, maybe that. Another can there, another 3 to 4 cans the other side, and one for both the front and the back. That's another 6, bro.
Yeah. It is what it is.
Look at that. Stay back. Do not try this.
Oh boy, what? Where the hell that come from?
I don't know.
Also, be careful behind on this side. The other side.
Good thing it's a work truck.
Huh? Oh, no.
Quit following him.
Oh, God. Bob, be careful. Do not paint that window. Be careful. That's the tire. Also, that was the last one. You sprayed it on the tire.
Okay, we're obviously going to need more paint. There's a lot more real estate here than you realize. Oh boy, I messed up, didn't I? That's okay. No harm, no worse for the wear. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. We'll get this finished up and see what it looks like. Oh hey, welcome back. As you can see, we've got the whole van shot, and we're in the midst of pulling tape. We did have to make another paint run. There's a lot of real estate here to cover, and it's not perfect, but I'm gonna give it a passing grade for doing it in a driveway on one nice day. And stay right with us. I wanted to show you the little tape pulling thing, and we'll take a walk around here directly and check it out. Be sure to stay tuned. So here it is, folks, the final product. Let's just take a walk around and take it all in. All the running boards are fresh and clean. We'll get the top. We'll take another day and we'll do the red, the grill, the rims, the horn. It'll all go company red. But I think this thing just turned out really, really good. Really, really good. Is that not gorgeous? We'll catch it. Let's just come around this side. nice. Very, very nice. Up over on this corner and get a shot from this direction. This is, in my opinion, this is the ugliest side of the truck because of the patchwork, but it had to be done because water, bugs, whatnot was getting in. We'll wrap the seams with a little silicone white so it matches. But yes, we need a name. We need a name for the ice cream truck. Leave it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. And let me know what you think. But I'm going to call that...
I want to say we vote for Patchwork as a name for the truck.
Patchwork. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. I've been sucking too many paint fumes today. But we're going to call it a success. 9 cans of turbo spray Rust-Oleum. A lot more real estate than I originally estimated. But at the end of the day, the proof's in the pudding. You tell me. I like it. With that, like, share, subscribe. Have a great day and enjoy your weekend.